Welcome back to all of my subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, I want to mention that this channel is dedicated to diagnostic, repairs and parts replacement on all kinds of Gio electric products, including two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers. I also work on electric kits ATVs made by Rosso brand. So you can check all of my videos by clicking on a playlist button, and you will see a list of machines that I work on. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace throttle handle, or if you're having problem with a shifter switch, or maybe light switch, or the speed switch. All of this assembly comes as a complete kit, throttle handle and all of those buttons. So you cannot purchase just the separate buttons if one of those failed. Same with the throttle handle, you cannot purchase separately. So you have to replace this entire assembly if you have a problem in one of those four options or accessories, let's say that. So in order to replace this assembly, you have to remove two screws, one of them right here on the top and another one is on the bottom. I hope you're gonna see it. So it's not that hard of a procedure. You just need a screwdriver and remove this screw right here on the top, and the bottom screw might be not as accessible because of the brake handle. So you wanna loosen those two 8mm bolts and just move out of your way so you can have access to that screw, second screw, which is right here. Okay. Okay, and finish on this one, and this assembly is going to split in half. A few more turns. Okay, and the assembly splits in half, as you can see, this cap, and this one stays with the handle. So now you want to slide it out, but you will not be able to slide it out because of the wires are secured with a plastic zip tie to this handle, steering handle. So you want to carefully cut this plastic zip tie so you don't cut actual wires. Okay, now you should be able to slide it out, but it's going to be another zip tie underneath. So you will have to remove those four screws of this trim, insert your fingers underneath, and now you see another zip tie that needs to be cut. Okay, and only two plugs that are coming from this throttle handle assembly. Now you can completely slide it out and replace this part. When it comes to reinstalling the handle back in place, it's reverse order. And some people asking, how do I know how far to install the actual handle, how far to slide it in? Okay, so if you look closely, there is a hole in the handlebar, and that hole is for this notch right here. So you cannot go any farther because that notch will fit inside of that hole, and that's how you know how far you need to install the handle itself. So it's holding the handle from sliding in and out. That's the fixed position for the handle. That's how you know. And then you just secure the handle, brake handle, at any position that you wish. Upper position or a little bit lower, as long as that handle is not going to touch this plastic panel. Well, this is it. Pretty basic removal and installation. Nothing hard. If you're interested about how to install washer, a sprayer for your windshield, or how to install extended rails so you can slide your seat all the way to the back, please click on my channel and watch dedicated video about all of that. I have many more videos about this particular scooter, how you can improve some of the things that factory is still working on, but I already designed it, so you can copy my design and have more comfort in your scooter. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you guys. Bye.